friends, so excited to see you today. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be unboxing this advent calendar from Pixi Beauty. I've never had an advent calendar before, but I always loved watching people unbox them since I was a little girl. So I'm so thankful. Today is the day I have my first advent calendar. And if you're new here, I'm Melissa. I make beauty, lifestyle, and sometimes travel content. So follow along if you'd like to see more. Starting off, we have the cute little bow, and so gorgeous. It's actually pretty big, colors and everything. And I've actually been using Pixi for years, so I'm really excited to see what they decided to put in the advent calendar, and hopefully I'll spot some of my favorites. So we're gonna go in with number 1. We have some eye masks. I haven't tried the Dreamy Eye before, but I like their other eye masks, so I feel like these are gonna be a good one. I'm gonna put them in the fridge, get them cool, and try them tonight. Going in now with day 2. We have our Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. I'll be adding this to my little travel bag for the holidays. On to number 3. A little mini blush stick. I actually use these all summer long. I didn't try this one. This is in the shade Ruby, but I do like their other ones. I think the Rose, is it Rose that I tried? It was a lighter one, but this is stunning and a great color for the holidays. Number 5. We have a vitamin C lip patch. I also have not tried these before. I've never really been a fan of lip patches, but honestly, maybe I should be because my lips have been so dry. I keep putting on gloss every single day, so maybe this will be helpful for me. I'm gonna also try this on tonight. I'm gonna be a mask queen this evening. For day 4, almost couldn't get it out. We have a clear brow tamer. This is just so exciting. It already feels like Christmas. And I think I just did that backwards, but it's okay. It's still happening. We're still unboxing them all. For number 6, we have a Flawless Primer. I've tried this before and it's not my favorite primer, but I do like it. Down here at number 7, we have a little lip treat. Such a cute little mini. This is in the shade Scarlet. I actually really love their little lip products. Very beautiful. I do like this shade, and I'm pretty sure it goes on, it goes on pretty dark actually. I was thinking it went on a little lighter, but it's still a very pretty shade. Moving over here to number 8. This is a serum toner. I've only ever used their toners, not their serums, so very interested in this one. Number 9. We have another Flawless Primer. 10. A lip tone. So this is actually pH reactive, so very interested in trying this too. We're almost at the end of it. Number 11. This guy's stuck in here. There we go. We have the Detoxify eye patch. I actually really like these ones. These are the ones that I typically am using all the time. They're my go-to ones, so definitely happy I have an extra pair of these guys. It's gonna make it great for a little travel essential. And last but not least, we have 12. We have a mini makeup mist. I actually like their makeup mists because they don't spritz on super harsh. And this is actually perfect because I need like a little travel mini. Just so refreshing. And that is it for this advent calendar. I'm really happy with what they put in here. I'm definitely gonna be using all the products that were in here. They're perfect for my holiday travels coming up. So a huge thanks to Pixi Beauty. I love you, I'm so thankful, and this was so much fun to unbox. And as for all of you, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your holidays, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.